This remains the largest show of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean, event and venue of the same name. The 2017 staging again urged the nation to grow what we eat what we grow, adding a salute to our farmers, nation builders. Amidst rain and muddy conditions, the Denbigh Showground was buzzing with activities over the 3-day period.
We exceeded the number for last year's Denbigh, which was bigger than previous Denbigh. We have over 250 exhibitors. We had significant numbers of livestock entries. The largest number of livestock entries we have had for many, many years. The show has cost us in the region of $100 million to stage, but we believe it is going to generate economic activities for the country, for the sector, and for the people of Clarendon and all the adjoining parishes in excess of $1 billion.
Agriculture Minister Caenwood lauded the farmers on their success in the sector, but reminded them of an important asset they should not ignore.
Agriculture is one of the main planks on which we can hope to achieve economic growth and development. And if agriculture is one of the main planks that will determine our growth, then youth is an essential part of that productive process. It is the youth that we must turn our attention to.
The students' showcases were innovative, impactful, impressive.
We must continue to strive for excellence. We must continue to be more productive. We must continue to be able to make the kinds of goods and provide the kinds of services that will put us on the cutting edge of competition both domestically and internationally.
In light of this, at the celebration of Denbigh 65 farmers were awarded medals of appreciation for their outstanding work and long-standing commitment to the agricultural sector. Jamaica has over 240,000 farmers across the island. Clearly, agriculture is a big deal, and the Prime Minister wants his agents to change the way they see themselves.
You are an important part of the business of Jamaica. And when we start to conduct agriculture now as business, as a profitable enterprise that doesn't have to depend on subsidy or welfare or grant, then that is when we will start to see agriculture take off.
The 2017 Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show was truly a memorable one. 65 and still alive, celebrating our farmers, creating opportunities and building linkages to ensure the continued growth of the agricultural sector in Jamaica.
As we salute the farmers of Jamaica today, tomorrow, Monday, and onwards, agriculture is alive and well.